Before you begin, make sure the system is powered off. Unscrew the drain valve cover. Connect the drain tube to the drain valve. Open the drain valve and allow the coolant to start flowing. Open the fill port to allow the system to drain faster. Wait until the distribution plate is completely empty. Next, close the bypass valve by turning it 90 degrees. Remove the plug from the upper channel and install the air inlet tube. The bypass valve blocks this channel, allowing you to blow air through the loop. Seal the filling port. Now, gently blow air through the loop to remove any remaining coolant. Once the loop is empty, close the drain valve and remove the drain tube. Reinstall the drain valve cap. Remove the air inflow tube. Reinstall the plug to seal the port. Finally, open the bypass valve. Your distribution plate is now fully drained and ready for maintenance or refilling.